Hello everyone, welcome back to the Basic English. Our material today is asking about favorites. 1. What is your favorite drink?
What is your favorite drink?
2. What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
3. What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
4. What is your favorite pet?
What is your favorite pet?
5. What is your favorite subject?
What is your favorite subject?
6. What is your favorite movie?
What is your favorite movie?
7. What is your favorite artist?
What is your favorite artist?
8. What is your favorite football player?
What is your favorite football player?
Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye.